So we got a bunch of 10mm bolts all the way around. We're taking out 2, 3. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At least 10 more to go. That's a screwdriver can. This is why a lot of people don't do their own oil changes. This would be a pain if I didn't have this. Okay, pause it. So on the drain plug here, it's a 17mm, and the oil filter is from Napa. I am not sponsored. It's 21334, and it's going to be right here after you get the dust guard off from the bottom of the undercarriage. So we're going to take this bolt off and get started. I like using a big ratchet because it gives you a little bit more leverage, especially when you don't have a whole lot of room. Wrap this up over here a little bit so it doesn't leak all over the place.
I'm recording.
These are all the bolts for the undercarriage. There's a lot of them. Here we go.
What? More oil. Looks satisfying.
It is. There's not very much in here either.
Seems like a lot.
Compared to what it's supposed to have, it's not very much.
My arm's starting to get tired.
We're putting the oil filter back on. A lot of people say to oil the gasket in there, but it doesn't really matter. It's going to work either way, and it gets changed in about 5,000 to 6,000 miles anyways. Just gonna give it a nice little wipe down. Make sure everything's nice and clean. Hi, puppies. And then we're gonna hand tighten the drain bolt. Again, it's a 17mm. And then we'll grab our ratchet and tighten it up.
More.
It doesn't need to be crazy tight, just tight. Probably good. Alright, now we can pour our drain pan out. Push that to the side. And we'll get started putting the dust cover back together.
Yeah.
Alright, so you run into some issues like this where the guard on the undercarriage is broken. So just do your best you can. Put it back the way the customer had it before you got it. Also, not all of these bolts have washers. So try and put them back where you found them the best you can. It's not always going to be 100%, but just want to make sure that the whole vehicle is protected as well as it can be. One of these power ratchets is awesome, and it saved my butt. Only one bolt left.
Beep 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 boop boop.
This would have taken forever with a regular ratchet. I'm so glad I have that power ratchet. I'm not sponsored by anybody except for Slick Products right now, which is the degreaser and cleaning products. They sell a bunch of them on their page. Go check it out, slickproductsusa.com. They have a bunch of really cool and helpful and powerful cleaning products for your vehicle, for wheels, tires, interior, exterior. They have power washing stuff, they have towels, everything you need to be able to clean your car inside and out, top to bottom. So, all right, now we are finished with the oil change, and we're gonna move on to the tire rotation. Who's excited? Woo! Sucks. All right, let's do it. So this 2016 Kia Sorento took about 5 to 5.1 liters of oil, and we did the rotation, got that done, and we put the engine air filter in there and the cabin air filter. So anything that you guys have that are tips or tricks or any advice to maybe make it easier or quicker, let me know down in the comments. Other than that, hope you guys have a good day. Again, this few videos have been sponsored by Slick Products. They have an engine degreaser and cleaner that is amazing. Check them out at slickproductsusa.com.